First of all, we need to use Python language, and here we can install the OpenAI so that we can use the API of OpenAI. So first we can install like pip OpenAI. So this way you can install the library. I have already OpenAI installed, so don't need to install there. And after that, we need to import the library. This way we can import the library, and now it's need to set the API key from OpenAI. So we can use OpenAI dot API key, and here we need to put the API. So now I'm just going to call my Python file where I just saved my API key, because I can't show here. The reason is confidential, that is paid. So I'm just going to call my API key, and then I will be putting here, and then we will do the next work. But let me tell you, you can take the API key from here. You can just log in to the OpenAI, and then you can just click on your profile, and you will see the view API key, and then by clicking on it, create new secret key. Here you can create new API key. All right, so I can call my API, and then I will create the images which are never existed. So I have a function with the name of API key 1 where I just saved my API. So I can call. Now I have my API in API. So here I can just put it API, but you can place your API key inside these double quotations. All right, so that's fine. And now I'm going to create another function where we will be creating the image. So I can say def create images. We will be putting some input text as a parameter, and we will be getting the images from OpenAI. So we can call the OpenAI, and here we can say image dot create, and we will be putting prompt, which is our text. So we will be sending some input in instruction, and then we will be getting the results. So here I can say that how many images I wanted to create on the basis of the input text prompt. So I say 1. I wanted to get only one image, and then what will be the size of the image. So we can set the size in 128, 256, 512, and 1024. So I can say this by this. Okay, so after that I can return res. Okay, so now I can use this function. So here we can put input text to the prompt of OpenAI, and then we can get the image. So I'm just going to speed up the video, and then we see that what kind of result we are getting. So we got this image by using the input prompt, but let me just try with another one. So we can see that Now another image which is better, which is showing that two players, instead of taking the URL from here and printing in another tab to show the image, we can add more code and we can show that how we can show the images inside the Jupyter Notebook. But before that, I have a good news for you. Full Stack Technologies offering GPT Gigs.ai based exams where they will assess your skills and concepts with the quality of exams which are created by highly experienced developers and engineers from around the world. Alright, so now let me just speed up the video and I will be adding more code to show the images inside the Jupyter Notebook. So you can see that there is an image and we can now print inside the Jupyter Notebook. So let's try with another one. You can see that this one is much better than the previous one. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my channel so I will be motivated and I will be sharing more code on OpenAI ChatGPT. Thank you very much.